Hey guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all of my Christmas decor. I decorated for Christmas and I thought that I would show you guys. So down below here we have my 24 Days of Chocolate Advent Calendar. Then we have two little Christmas pillows. And then over here we have my Christmas lights. Then we have a little tree. Looks like that. And then if you move over towards my bed, we have two little festive pillows. We have a penguin and then this little bear with snowflakes. So that's cute. And then on my dresser, I have this little Christmas cup mug slash thing. I have a thing full of candy canes. I have a little cute little Cindy Lou Who Pez. And then I have a little mailbox, festive wishes. Then over here we have my stocking up there. We have a little gingerbread house, some candles. We have vanilla, 'tis the season, and then warm apple pie. We have another candle right there. I believe that's pumpkin pie. And then we have a snow globe right here. Gonna shake him up. It says hope with a little Santa Claus inside. Then we have some Christmas scents. We have a winter candy apple and vanilla bean and whale pocket backs, as well as a winter blossom and gingerbread latte lotions. Then we have a little snowman right there. So do a little overview of my dresser. And then over here we have a little frozen ornament. And then we have a sleigh right here. And yeah, I believe that's everything. Oh yeah, forgot one last thing. We have this little tinsel that wraps around the poles of my bed. But anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye. One last thing I forgot to mention is like this cute little snowman here that my friend's mom made for me. Really cute. It says Rachel on it, but yeah. Thanks for watching.